Hey guys, today I'm going to talk about my top 5 issues with the LeTV phone. What I'm going to say today applies to all models of the phone because the design of the product is similar for all the models and it runs the same software. So, for my top number 1 gripe, that is going to be the screen. So, I'm going to zoom up close to the camera here, hopefully you can see. Well, you can see that big crack here has appeared. The phone actually just dropped from a normal table height, and this is actually the 3rd time it happened to me. So every time what happened is that it dropped from near table height and the screen just completely smashes. This is the first time I've ever had this happen to any of my phones. I've got like Samsung phones, I got the Xiaomi phones. This is the very first time that, the phone drops and it just completely smashes. I totally did not expect it the first time, so I sent it to the LeTV warranty that I got, and they actually repaired it for free because, well, I bought warranty. The problem was that it came back and it smashed again, and I was like, this is like the 2nd time it happened, and now this is the 3rd. So in around 3 months, I probably broke it 3 times, and from all my other phones, I've never had this happen to me. So I would probably say this is probably due to a design flaw in the phone, whether it's because of the edge of the screen that's, or something. I would like to say also that I was actually using the default case that I came with, so, apparently cases don't help. Alright, so hopefully the LeTV is gonna, do something about my phone right now. I can hopefully warranty it, and maybe they'll fix it again. Alright, my second issue comes with Google Play. So I got the Chinese version of the phone, and it actually does not have Google Play installed. Well, I made some tutorials before about how to install the Google Play, but there's one major issue. This issue is that every time you software update, Google Play gets removed. In fact, everything that you customize, your root gets removed, your TWRP gets removed, and your Google Play Store gets removed if you do a software update. And because these phones, they really beg you to update them all the time, well, it's going to happen, and you're going to have to find, half an hour to just reboot your phone, redo all that stuff again, and it's just a big pain in the pain. My number 3 gripe is the launcher. Well, the default launcher has, some nice animations and such, but honestly, if you want to use it, you really don't want a big bulky button here which switches on the video. Honestly, if you want to use this phone every day, you probably don't want to start watching videos when you're working or when you're going out. And honestly, you probably don't want that happening. So unfortunately, just you can change the launcher, but I've had it, this phone just freaks out when it uses Nova launcher or something, so I had a hard time finding a good launcher for this phone. Alright, my number 4 gripe is the USB port. Alright, this USB port is a USB Type-C, and I know this is not gonna be an issue, 3-4 years down the road, but right now, I've only got 1 cable that supports USB Type-C, and I've got like 10 other ones that supports a normal standard USB Mini. So, I've had to try to order a few of these, put them around the office and when I want to charge my phone. And it's just a general nuisance. It's probably, it's much harder to find in an Apple cable even. So, hopefully this resolves itself over time. But if you're using it right now, this becomes a major issue. The last issue is also with compatibility as well. This phone is a 64-bit Android device. So it actually doesn't have full compatibility with every Android software. If you want more details about what is and is not compatible, please do check out the link below. I'll have my website there, and I'll tell you, some software that's not compatible with this phone. So thanks for watching. If you guys have any additional gripes, please put them down below.